In this podcast episode, Andrew Huberman delves into the intricate world of hormones and their profound impact on sexual development. He begins by defining hormones as chemical substances released from glands that travel through the body to influence various organs and tissues. This biological framework sets the stage for understanding how hormones contribute to the masculinization and feminization of both the brain and body. Huberman explains the foundational concepts of chromosomal sex, gonadal sex, and hormonal sex. Chromosomal sex is determined by the presence of either two X chromosomes, typically female, or an X and a Y chromosome, typically male. Gonadal sex refers to the presence of either testes or ovaries, while hormonal sex involves the influence of steroid hormones like testosterone and estrogen on physical characteristics. The transition from chromosomal to gonadal sex is a critical developmental process that occurs early in embryonic development. The presence of the Y chromosome initiates the formation of testes and the suppression of female reproductive structures, such as the Mullerian ducts, through the action of specific genes. Huberman emphasizes that hormones can have both rapid and long-term effects. For instance, cortisol and adrenaline act quickly, while sex steroid hormones like testosterone and estrogen exert their influence over a longer duration by interacting with DNA to regulate gene expression. This interaction is crucial for the development of primary sexual characteristics, such as external genitalia, and secondary sexual characteristics that emerge during puberty. A fascinating example he provides is the role of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a derivative of testosterone, in the development of male genitalia. DHT is responsible for the formation of the penis during embryonic development, while testosterone plays a significant role in the secondary sexual characteristics that appear during puberty. Huberman discusses the surprising complexity of how hormones influence sexual development. While testosterone is often associated with masculinization, it is actually estrogen, derived from testosterone, that plays a pivotal role in masculinizing the brain. This revelation challenges common assumptions about the roles of these hormones and highlights the intricate interplay between them. He also introduces the concept of androgen insensitivity syndrome, where individuals with XY chromosomes develop female physical characteristics due to a mutation in the testosterone receptor. This condition illustrates the importance of hormone receptor interaction in determining sexual development. The discussion shifts to the impact of environmental factors on hormonal levels and sexual development. Huberman cites research on atrazine, a herbicide that has been shown to cause testicular malformations in frogs and potentially affects human sperm counts. He notes a concerning trend in declining sperm counts in human populations, linking it to environmental toxins and herbicides. Huberman also addresses the effects of cannabis and alcohol on hormonal activity. Cannabis has been shown to increase aromatase activity, leading to elevated estrogen levels, which can counteract the effects of testosterone. Similarly, alcohol consumption during puberty can disrupt hormonal balance, potentially leading to negative outcomes for both males and females. The episode further explores the potential effects of modern technology on sexual development. Huberman discusses studies indicating that exposure to cell phone emissions may negatively impact testicular and ovarian development in animal models. While the evidence is still emerging, it raises questions about the long-term implications of technology on reproductive health. He also touches on the observable effects of hormones on physical traits, such as beard growth and pattern baldness, which are influenced by dihydrotestosterone. The relationship between hormone levels and physical characteristics provides insight into the underlying genetics of individuals. Huberman shares intriguing examples from the animal kingdom, such as the spotted hyena, where females exhibit masculinized genitalia due to elevated levels of androgens. This phenomenon highlights the diversity of sexual development across species and the role of hormones in shaping physical traits and social structures. He concludes by emphasizing the importance of understanding the biological mechanisms behind sexual development, while also acknowledging the broader societal discussions surrounding gender identity and expression.